Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick and Boots Vintage. Let's get started. Expand paste. This one has to be one of my favorite pastes that I think is underused. So it's on the thicker side, and to me, it's kind of like magic. When you put it on your project and then you heat it with a heat gun, it'll bubble up and create this awesome texture that you just can't replicate with anything else. It's bubbled up and you're satisfied with the way it looks. You can apply paint, you can do waxes, you can do whatever you want. Now, I have used this on furniture, and I have also just used it on regular mixed media projects. Now, I'm going to show you a different way to use the paste. You can actually just take some paste, put it in your cup, and we're going to add a little bit of mica powder to it. And I'm choosing brown. So you can pre-mix your color so you don't have to paint it afterwards. So I'm going to do that real quick. Mix them up. I always find it a little bit more difficult when you're mixing just a small amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on here. So I'm going to kind of make it look like it's dirt, like the bunnies are in dirt. You can apply it with a spatula, a brush, whatever you want. I'm just going to use my stencil brush, and I'm just going to kind of pounce it a little bit. This gives it some more texture and layer look. Now, once I'm happy with how I laid it out, I'm just going to take my heat gun and watch the magic happen. Let me zoom in. You'll begin to see it start bubbling and creating texture. This is just amazing. I absolutely love this stuff. This is very similar to the same, like the moss paste or the grass paste, but that'll be next month. So look at this texture we're able to create. It just makes little bubbles. It's very light. It's water-based. I'm going to go over a little bit more. If you put it on thicker, you'll get different size bumps. If you put it on thinner, you get smaller bumps. But like I said, this is perfect I use it for like sand, dirt, or to make it look like a little trail. So now that it is the way I like it, you can see that it works just as good as when you tint it or if you use it just plain white and paint it afterwards. I kind of like to tint it first because sometimes it gets a little tricky to get into all the little bumps to paint. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you can take a little bit of the wax paste, and I'm just going to lightly put it on here. And what this is going to do is it's going to accentuate the bumps so you can really see it. Now look at that. I just love the Expand paste.